Ever felt the sheer frustration of traditional business banking? The endless paperwork, the slow transfers, the fees that seem to come out of nowhere? It's a problem that's plagued small businesses and freelancers for decades. And it's a problem that one company, Qonto, set out to solve. But who is the mastermind behind this financial revolution? Who is the CEO of Qonto, the person who saw a flaw in the system and decided to build something entirely new? That person is Alexander Prat. Alexander Prat is not just a CEO, he's a co-founder and a visionary who, alongside his business partner Steve Anavi, turned a personal pain point into a fintech powerhouse. The story of Qonto isn't just about a bank, it's about an entrepreneur's journey fueled by frustration and a burning desire for a better way. Before Qonto, Prat and Anavi had already delved into the world of startups, co-founding Smock.io, a company that pioneered the first connected electronic cigarette. This venture, while successful in its own right, provided them with a crucial, and frankly, irritating, insight. They experienced firsthand the outdated, time-consuming, and complex banking services that were simply not built for the needs of modern, fast-moving businesses. It was a wake-up call. The traditional banking system, with its rigid processes and lack of digital tools, was a major roadblock for entrepreneurs trying to grow their companies. They realized that if they, as tech-savvy entrepreneurs, were struggling, countless others must be facing the same challenges. This realization became the foundation of their next venture. They decided to create the very service they wished they had, a business finance solution that was simple, transparent, and built for the digital age. This was the birth of Qonto. From its launch in 2017, Qonto has grown at an incredible pace, and a lot of that success can be attributed to Alexander Prat's leadership and strategic vision. He's the one who has championed a customer-centric approach, focusing on creating a product that truly solves the problems of SMEs and freelancers. Under his guidance, Qonto has expanded its services beyond just a simple business account, now offering features like integrated bookkeeping, spend management, and financing solutions. Prat's background is a testament to his ability to navigate both the corporate world and the startup ecosystem. With a resume that includes stints at Goldman Sachs and McKinsey & Company, he brought a deep understanding of finance and business strategy to the table. This is what allowed Qonto to not only challenge the status quo but also build a robust and reliable financial institution that customers could trust. He's a leader who understands the importance of attracting top talent, and his leadership has been key in assembling a diverse and skilled team that has propelled Qonto to unicorn status, with a valuation of over 4.4 billion euros. Alexander Prat's journey with Qonto is a powerful example of how a simple idea, born from personal frustration, can evolve into a significant force for change. He saw a gap in the market, a need that wasn't being met, and he built a company to fill it. Today, Qonto serves hundreds of thousands of businesses across Europe, simplifying their financial lives and allowing them to focus on what they do best. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.